Here is the quick startup guide for the nitrogen machine GN-100. So first things you're gonna do, it's you make sure that air compressor works. Please check the drain and discharge the water from the tank here. So make sure the air compressor is working. Make sure that this is open. It's you can keep it open all the time, no problem, because we have on inlet and outlet the valves which controls the nitrogen machine, so and it's fine. So in order to start it up, you have to switch on this one breaker and press start button, and it will start to run. Once, and now it's working. Here's the flow. Here you can see the flow. This is the yellow mark which you can use to set up the flow. Now for a while we are low on purity. When we start, the nitrogen will go out from here. It's gonna empty. It's gonna go this way. If you wanna adjust the flow, you can use this to adjust the flow. Oops, see, I can show you. It goes more and it goes less if we control it. So now we are good here. Put it this way. So, and it will now. We put it in auto, and there is parameters. You see 99, 95. It's when the nitrogen will go to the consumer. So let it work for like it can take 10 to 15 to 20 minutes, depends on what was the situation. Yeah, if there is no leakages overnight, if there is a few days, the system is standby, just staying, and if there was a pressure, it will be very quickly earn back the purity. So if you need the nitrogen, go straight away to the consumer. You can, now it's already reached, and it's automatically switched to the consumer. So now you see there is no consumption, so there is no zero flow because we are not consuming there. So now the nitrogen machine will come to the standby mode. Now it's in standby, and it's nothing gonna happen until you start to use the nitrogen. So in order to shut it down, you just press stop button, and that's it. It's already stabilized the pressure, and that's it. So if you want to go home, you can switch this breaker, and that's it. You don't have to close. So it's fine, because we have valves here which is closed. We can see that it's closed. So yeah, that's it. And check the water again.